Welcome to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. This is Tommy. We are leaving Foley, Alabama at the Bluegrass RV Park, and I encourage you to go back and watch that video about this particular park and our experiences there. This video is kind of long. It's about 18 minutes long, but if you wait to the end, you'll be able to see a backup driver that we had for our video. I think you get a kick out of it. It's right near the end of the video. Also, we are headed to Medina's dad's farm. Medina's dad, the brothers, and her are putting together a 90th birthday celebration for him. And also, I'm having a procedure done on my back there at Huntsville Hospital. We'll probably be here up there in Tennessee for about almost a month, and then we're headed up to Wisconsin, and then whatever we're going to do this spring and summer, possibly going out west again and see some sights that we didn't see before. But anyway, we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, and the best way to help us and help us get monetized is to watch the video to the end. Even if you're just not interested in it, if you'd let it play in the background, we sure would appreciate it. Okay, I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for stopping by.
Come walk with me, feel the breeze, come walk with me. Oh, and dance, come dance with me, shuffle your feet, come dance with me. And I will tell you when you're older how I loved you just the same. It only matters where we're going. It never mattered from where you came. When life, it gets you down, steals your crown, and breaks your will, I'll pick you up, brush off the dust, and hold you still. I will tell you when you're older how I loved you just the same. It only matters where we're going. It never mattered from where you came. Sleep, my darling. Oh, the night is getting darker. You can dream about tomorrow, and I will tell you when you're older how I loved you just the same. It only matters where we're going. It never mattered from where you came. And I will tell you when you're older how I love you just the same. It only matters where we're going. It never mattered from where you came. It never mattered from where you came. It never mattered from where you came. mouth, you're gonna see. Ooh, and if you send it back, we're gonna get it. Alright. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Won't you hear my call? See me in the colorful light. Even when it comes, I'll be fading in time. Ooh, oh, weeds in one frame at a time. Gotta hold the lead to win if you get it. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. Now I'll never find my way back home again. Call, I need it all. You've been fine. Again, around again. When I finally catches up to you. Oh, merciful radio energy. When I call, will you call back to me? Oh, merciful radio energy. I'll never make my way back home again.
We decided to get off the interstate and take a break, spend the night at Cracker Barrel. We try to use Cracker Barrel as much as possible because it is a safe, quiet environment, and it lets us go in and have a good meal, either breakfast or supper. So Dina had driven most of the time. I'm really proud of her. She did a great job. And then I took over, and we did something that we try not to ever do, and that's the drive after dark, because you just seem to make mistakes, and there's a lot of crap in the road, if you pardon my French. I actually almost hit a large piece of fiberglass in the road when we first started back home, and I don't know where it fell off of, but I managed to get around it. Now, we parked up here at Cracker Barrel, and it's always just a very, very quiet, safe environment. We very much enjoy it, and we really thank Cracker Barrel for allowing the RVers to do this. Alright, we had a great night, and we parked here and got up early the next morning and took off for Tennessee. Hope you're enjoying the video.
The years go so fast, I wanna make them last. Slow down, don't grow up, never forget my love. You could be anything that you wanna be. Find love, have kids, make a family. You could even be a scientist, I never would've guessed it. There'll be days when you wanna give up on it. saying daddy all the way to 7th grade. The years go so fast, I wanna make them last. Slow down, don't grow up, never forget my love. You could be anything that you wanna be. Find love, have kids, make a family. You could even be a scientist, I never would've guessed it. There'll be days when you wanna give up on it. My love, stay strong, you were made for this. I'm glad I have a front seat to you growing up on me. You could be anything that you wanna be. Find love, have kids, make a family. You could even be a scientist, I never would've guessed it. There'll be days when you wanna give up on it. My love, stay strong, you were made for this. I'm glad I have a front seat to you growing up on me. Where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes, start on wishing well. It's your heart's desire, carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you. Nothing around us, just flames in the fire, and through the night they burn like me for you. Covered in wonder, sweet in the silence. Oh, we'll keep running and we'll keep running. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes, start on wishing well. It's your heart's desire, carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you.